How can I find the story? I had so much fun to making it, but even more I make my own. Let me show you how I used a really cool tool called Mind Map to create my superhero Mista.